has now rolled into the 8th hurricane of the 2021 Eastern Pacific hurricane season and is now posing a major threat towards southern Mexico, currently at 14.7 degrees north and 101.5 degrees west as of 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Rick now has winds of 80 miles per hour, with a central pressure of 985 millibars. It is moving northwest at 7 miles per hour and a CDPS stage rating of 5 is in place. For the CDPS, we are looking at Acapulco, Mexico on Monday, which is the projected landfall area. The overall threat to land is significant to major due to the rainfall potential being major to extreme. Stage 5 being devastating impacts are possible around the landfall areas. So the position again 14.7 degrees north and 101.5 degrees east. The wind fields are actually quite small, the largest quadrant being the northwestern quadrant from stretching 60 miles from the center. Hurricane warnings in effect for Tepangalina to Punta San Telmo, and tropical storm warnings are also in effect east of that and then west of Punta San Telmo to south to Manzanillo. Currently it is 170 miles from Acapulco, 197 from Cihuatanejo, 223 from Chilpancingo, 350 miles from Mexico City, the capital, and then 355 miles from Puebla, Mexico. The NHC are at 80 miles per hour right now, with the SSEC ADT agreeing with them. The NOAA ADT slightly lower in intensity at 70 miles per hour. Here is the latest cone and the extents of the wind fields and also the graphical projections of the warnings. They are forecasting a major hurricane on Sunday morning, make landfall on Monday, and then degenerate into a tropical depression on Tuesday morning. For the sea surface temperatures, it is actually not a problem for Rick, considering that there is a warm pool of 30-degree waters in front of that to provide favorable conditions for Rick to intensify. The models are reaching a consensus right now, but the CTCX going for 120 knots, which is 140 miles per hour for their peak. Wind shear is expected to drop in the next few hours but increase in the next few days. Sea surface temperature is relatively stable in 28 to 30 degrees and mid-level relative humidity at 70 to 80%. The outflow of Rick is actually quite healthy for it to intensify in the next few hours, if not already started its rapid intensification rate. By looking at the infrared imagery, you can see that the central dense overcast, the CDO, has been wrapping up quite nicely in the last few hours. This will definitely pose a major threat towards southwest Mexico. Be prepared if you are around the area, and please stay safe.